Using a Wealthfront Roth IRA for college planning is a smart way to save for your child's future education expenses while also taking advantage of tax benefits. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First, you need to understand what a Roth IRA is. A Roth IRA is an individual retirement account that allows you to contribute after tax dollars, which can then be invested and grow tax-free. While Roth IRAs are typically used for retirement savings, they can also be used for other purposes, such as college planning. To use a Wealthfront Roth IRA for college planning, you will need to open a custodial Roth IRA account for your child. This type of account is also known as a minor Roth IRA. You will be the custodian of the account until your child reaches the age of majority, at which point the account will be transferred to their name. Once the account is open, you can start contributing to it. The annual contribution limit for a Roth IRA is the same as for a traditional IRA, and you can contribute to a Roth IRA as long as your income is below certain thresholds. It is also important to note that you can withdraw contributions to a Roth IRA at any time tax-free and penalty-free. For college planning, you can use the funds in the Roth IRA to pay for qualified education expenses, such as tuition, fees, and room and board. You can withdraw earnings from the account tax-free and penalty-free if the funds are used for qualified education expenses and you have had a Roth IRA for at least 5 years. It is also worth noting that using a Roth IRA for college planning has some benefits over other types of college savings accounts, such as a 529 plan. For example, with a Roth IRA, you have more investment options and you can use the funds for any purpose, not just education expenses. In terms of investment options, Wealthfront offers a range of low-cost index funds and ETFs that can be used to invest your Roth IRA contributions. You can choose from a variety of investment portfolios, ranging from conservative to aggressive, depending on your risk tolerance and investment goals. To get started with a Wealthfront Roth IRA for college planning, you can sign up for an account on the Wealthfront website. You will need to provide some basic information, such as your name, address, and social security number, and you will need to fund your account with an initial contribution. Once your account is open, you can set up automatic contributions and choose your investment portfolio. Overall, using a Wealthfront Roth IRA for college planning is a smart way to save for your child's future education expenses while also taking advantage of tax benefits. By following these steps and taking advantage of the benefits of a Roth IRA, you can help your child achieve their educational goals and set them up for long-term financial success.